In today's video, we are going to show you how to trade accumulators on Deriv. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Now, on the platforms, I want you to click the Deriv Trader because this is where we can access different trading products, including options, multipliers, and of course, accumulators right here. You see the fire icon? I want you to click on it because once the trader loads, you need to select the trade type. Is it going to be volatility? You can choose from cryptocurrencies, forex. It's up to you. After selecting it, you will notice that the interface changes specifically. There's like a stat option at the bottom if you click the accumulators. Now, many traders use Deriv indices because they are available 24/7 and are popular in Deriv. You can choose from a volatility from 10, 25, 50, 75, and choose the index you want to trade depending on your risk tolerance. Because remember, keep in mind that higher volatility means larger price movements and higher risk. Now let's understand the important sections on the right side of our screen. You will see your stake amount. Let's say we are choosing 25. You have the maximum payout or the potential payout and the growth rate. And of course, the chart movement. The key to understand is the knockout level. If the market touches or exceeds that limit, your trade ends immediately. But if the market stays within the range, your profit continues increasing automatically over time. Now, what you can do here, instead of using a real account, go for the demo account so that you can place trades using the accumulator without any risk. And from here, click the buy option. It's super simple. After placing the trade, you'll now see the live accumulator running. Notice how the profit keeps increasing gradually as time passes. This is the main attraction of accumulator trading. However, always monitor the chart carefully because sudden market movements can instantly hit the knockout level. And basically that's it for today's video on how to trade accumulators on Deriv. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.